喂。
Hello， 我係吳彥科啦，好 enjoy 呢場比賽，揾到自己嘅腳步，咁啊順利衝過終點。
Hello, I'm Emily. I'm very happy to be here today. So, not bad, and the race was just perfect. Weather, organization, everything. So thanks a lot and see you soon.
When you reach the top, it was really accomplishing, and then this last bit here is like really fun when you finish.
Amazing weather, couldn't be more lucky with.
All right, I'm Pauline Heymans, and I had a great time, great run. Thank you so much for organizing. See you next time.
但係整體上都非常之舒服，跑落去都舒服嘅。
My name is Dolores Ropico, and I'm from Indonesia. I'm proud to be one of the runners in Hong Kong.
Fantastic race, loved it.
Whether I just came for the view and to beat that guy, so I'm happy now. Perfect day.
Hey, I'm Jerome and I just came to race with this guy and he beat me and I'm so happy for him.
好玩啊！今日個景又好靚。
Beautiful to run.
Almost fainted, but we're good, we're good.
Today was great. The views were amazing and the weather was amazing as well. Great event.
Yeah, it was nice. I did have fun. Next time 14K.